Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly AI for writing as a beginner. Let's get started. First, open the Grammarly on your browser or install the extension on your device. Next, start typing your content. This could be an email, essay, or social media post. And as you write, the Grammarly will automatically check your grammar, spelling, and punctuation in real time. You'll see suggestions highlighted. Just click them to apply corrections instantly. Here you can also use the Grammarly AI features to rewrite the sentences, improve the tone and clarity, and make your writing more professional. Simply click the rewrite or improve option to enhance your text. And once you're satisfied, review your final content and use it whenever you need. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.